9 Best Essential Oils for Coughs and Colds. It's that time of year again, when we are coughing and sneezing. You could go to your local chemist or supermarket and pick up many various remedies, all of which are packed with chemicals. Why not look inside to see which essential oils are best for coughs and cold? Here are 9 of the best to choose from. Top essential oils for coughs and colds: rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, peppermint, myrrh, cedarwood, frankincense, fir needle. Breathe easy. Rosemary. It is a great idea to keep a bottle of rosemary essential oil around the home if you're ill. Rosemary aids the production, flow and excretion of body fluids like bile, urine and sweating, all ways for the body to get rid of toxins. Rosemary also helps your digestive system and promotes a healthy liver function, as your liver cleanses the blood and flushes waste. It is a great way to help keeping our organs healthy. If you are already feeling under the weather, then rosemary may help alleviate symptoms like headaches, migraines, fatigue and nervous exhaustion. It can also help with any intestinal problems like diarrhea, circulatory issues, bronchitis, mucus buildup, congestion and sinus infections. Lemon. Lemon essential oil is an all-rounder and always handy to have around. If you are feeling sick, it contains so many benefits. It is antimicrobial and antiseptic, meaning it fights, inhibits and kills microbes. The lemon oil is also bactericidal, meaning it kills bacteria too, healing and preventing infections. This oil also helps to detoxify and purifies our body. The depurative properties helps it cleanse our blood. As a diaphoretic, it gets rid of waste through sweating, and final as a diuretic, it helps get rid of waste through urine. Lemon oil restores and strengthens our body, supports our immune system. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is another oil that helps support the whole body. It helps to reduce muscle soreness, nerve pain and inflammation. It also kills and inhibits the growth of bacteria, microbes and viruses. Eucalyptus also helps detoxify the body. Like rosemary, it has the same benefits, being a depurative and diuretic. If you are all stuffy, then eucalyptus is great as a decongestant, an expectorant, meaning it promotes the expulsion of mucus and phlegm. It also fights and prevents fever. It gives great support for our immune system, helps to fight chicken pox, measles and the flu. Peppermint. Peppermint is one of the most popular oils as it offers so many properties to improve health. It helps to support our liver, head and stimulates digestion. Like rosemary and eucalyptus, it helps to purify the body of unwanted fluids. Peppermint also helps clear symptoms of fever, headaches, migraines, vertigo, faintness or dizziness. It also helps reducing cramps, aches, muscular pains and feeling sick. Myrrh. Myrrh essential oils is helpful to our health as it's an anticatarrhal and an expectorant, meaning it helps dissolve, eliminate, expel and even stop mucus and inflammation of the mucous membrane. Myrrh also kills and inhibits the growth of microbes and microorganisms as an antiseptic and antimicrobial, so helps fight infection. It also helps digestive health and pulmonary health. Myrrh is great for treating fevers, coughs, colds, bronchitis and sore throats. Cedarwood. Cedarwood is a great oil to help our respiratory system. It's an expectorant, so it helps expel mucus and phlegm, is also a diuretic, so promotes the excretion of waste through urine. Cedarwood essential oil is also an antiseptic and will inhibit growth of microbes and helps kill existing microbes. The oil also helps promote healing of chest infections and urinary infections. Frankincense. Frankincense essential oils helps to support our immune system and is also great for the skin. It's an antiseptic, so help kill and prevent microbes and the growth of microbes. Frankincense is a cytophylactic. It helps protect our cells against membrane disorganization and the breakdown of our cells. It will help digestion, and will help the body get rid of toxins through the urinary system. As an expectorant, it helps reduce mucus and phlegm buildup in the respiratory tract. Frankincense aids breathing and helps respiratory health by clearing the lungs and reducing symptoms of colds, coughs, bronchitis, and laryngitis. Fir needle. Fir needle essential oils are known for purifying and detoxifying the body, which is like rosemary and eucalyptus, and is known to help boost the metabolism. It makes your body break things down quicker. This oil has antibacterial, antiseptic, and antimicrobial properties which help prevent infections by fighting and killing bacteria and microbes. Fir needle essential oil boosts the respiratory system and helps to support the immune system. It is also known to help with muscle and joint aches, also to reduce pain. Breathe Easy. Breathe Easy essential oil blend from Simply Earth will help improve overall immunity. It's made from fir needle, frankincense, cedarwood, and myrrh and includes all the properties of these oils. This oil blend helps with respiratory, urinary, and intestinal function and health. Breathe Easy essential oil blend helps remove toxins and mucus from our bodies and reducing fevers and inflammation. It positively impacts our cells by reducing their breakdown and can treat a variety of ailments from muscle pain to bronchitis, to the common cold and flu, to sore throats and laryngitis. These statements have not been evaluated by any governing body and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease.